My name is Educator Raphael and I'm an elocutionist. Today I'll be taking you on the sound on the topic I meant to say, phoneme. Now, what is phoneme and why do we use phoneme? Why do teachers need to use phonemes when they teach children blending? Because a lot of teachers out there teaches children blending of words, blending of sounds together or letters together to make a sound, to make a word as well. And sometimes children ask them, why is OR making this sound? Why is OR making another sound in a different word? So we're going to look into this starting from the definition of phonemes and examples of what phonemes are in a word. So what is phoneme? Phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in the word. The individual sound we have in the word is what we call phonemes. Say for example, in the word can. The word can has 3 letters and 3 individual phonemes. How do we know that? The letter C makes a different sound, the letter A makes a different sound, and the letter N makes a different sound. So how do we go about it? We have k, a, and this makes the phonemes in can just what? 3 phonemes. So when a child is learning how to blend a letter to make a word, we should understand the numbers of sounds represented in the word is what we'll call the phonemes in that word. Good. What about the word over here? We have word. In word, we have W making one sound, OR making another sound, and the letter D making another sound. So we have and D making this word word. We have what? Word. How many sounds do we have there? We have what? 3. OR is a grapheme. 2 letters making one sound. We can also call it a vowel team where 2 letters produces one sound. The other one we have here is the word take. In the word take, we have 3 phonemes. How do we know that? We have 4 letters here. Why 3? Because the letter E here is silent, and then we have ts. The letter A in take makes the sound of its name A and k, giving us what? 3 phonemes as well. So we have ts, A, k with a silent E, giving us what? 3 phonemes as the word take. What about money? Money. The M sounds the O sounds ah. The A sounds The letter EY makes one sound, the sound E. So if we're to count the phonemes we have in money, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In the word money, we have what? 4 phonemes. So when a child asks you, why do we have 5 letters and we have 4 sounds in this word? You tell a child, the letter EY is a grapheme making just one sound. Moving further to the next sound represented in the word determines how many phonemes a word has in it. I believe you've learned something today about phonemes. In our next class, we'll go further to explain all the kinds of things that we'll learn that is represented in a word. Thank you.